Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little rough and y'all haven't seen me in a while. I look different. I got blue hair. It's just my real hair. I have a haul for you guys. I know you like, this girl just pop up out of nowhere and got a haul for us. And I do. So I went to Birmingham. You guys, if you guys don't know from how far as my social media, I'm in cosmetology school. If you guys would like to know why I'm in cosmetology school or how I got into it and all that, I'll make a separate video about that. But I actually went to the Birmingham premiere. I think it's premiere Birmingham hair show. This is actually my first hair show, and I pick up a lot of stuff. So I said, let me do a vlog. Much was happening within the weekend, and that's why I hate vlogging, because it's like mess happens and it's just, you don't want to explain what's going on, whatever. But I am gonna insert footage right here so you guys see. I will turn up on the bottle. You know how we do down there. You know how we do that. But yeah, we went to the Birmingham premiere hair show, and I bought a couple items. I was like, since I'm not gonna do a vlog, I'm just insert clips. I decided I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. This is not the first thing. Well, this ain't the last thing. This is the last thing that I got on Sunday. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's just right here in my face. I'm not doing it in order or anything. Morphe came. This palette I think originally is $19. No, $25, and I got it for $19. This is the 3503. Y'all don't really do colors, but I decided that I'm going to do colors. This is how the packaging look. The box looks just like that, and oh crap, and this is all the colors. And like I said, I need to start doing eyeshadow looks. That green is what got me, so I was like, yeah, this is so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do some looks with this and show you guys what I can come up with. Like I said, I'm not good at makeup. I'm trying to do makeup pretty good because I actually like doing makeup, but I'm not good at it. You know, it's one of those things like you like doing it, but you're not good at it. That's what it is. Okay, so the next thing I got from Morphe is this angle liner brush, and this is how it looks. I don't know the original price for this brush, but I think I got it for $2 or $3 at the hair shop, and this is just how it looks. The next thing, well, the last thing I got from Morphe is a brow cream. I never really used brow cream, but I want to start using it, and I got Blend the Rules, the color, I think Java 1 on. I don't even know, y'all. This is actually my first Morphe stuff, but yeah, this is how the packaging looks. Okay, the next two items that I got was from like this just the last vendor, and these were $2, and I got these two. They're not even big how I like it, but I was like, $2, can't beat it. So next I got this Oplex hair perfection repair and strengthen number 3. This is what I got for my color treated hair. You guys see I have colored hair. My hair is pre-lightened as well, so I got this. I heard nothing but good things about it. They say use one time per one per week for damage 3. Girl, look, this stuff was $14. I don't even know the original price for it. Like, maybe no, once a month maybe. So next I have this Swax honey butter conditioner. Now this is like a homemade home brand that I got this conditioner from. It smells good. It's like homemade, so I was like, I'm gonna try it out, because I'm switching up my hair routine where I'm really trying to stop shampooing my hair, but I will shampoo it like twice a month. But I'm trying to cut shampooing out and just do like an episode of rinse for my shampooing. This is actually the first thing that I bought. This is Crazy Colors by Red Bow, and it's called Candy Yellow and number 49. And this is the color. This is Ashtray Heavenly Foam Lotion. Now, let me tell y'all the story about this. So, the lady at the vendor place, she was like, I thought she was like $1.29 for each item. So, I was like, okay, that's cool. Let me get everything or whatever. When I get to the counter, like, before the back lady swipe my card, because I didn't understand her. So, I was like, let me see what she's talking. They didn't even like swipe my card. Let me see what really down with it. So I was like, can you explain something? So I was like, so each item is $1.90 something. She's like, no, all of each product is $100. And I'm like, girl, I ain't got that for you. Sorry, boo. I'll buy a little foam lotion. That's how I was like, oh, I can't spend it. I'll buy a little foam lotion. And they was looking dumb, like, really? You really thought that? That's how you really explained it to me. But whatever, it don't even matter. I bought this. It's called Ashtray Heavenly Foam Lotion. And she was like, the reason why I went to her, she's like, let me use this in your hair. It looked wonderful. And the girl that was with me, she was like, your hair looks the same. But like I said, I needed foam lotion. I think that was 14. Oh, and the hair color was 6, I think. But I was like, let me just buy it. I don't even care. The next thing I got is a spray bottle, and it's rainbow. But I bought this spray bottle because I need another spray bottle. I love spray. I love these misters rather. And I was like, let me just buy it. Just $10. It was 10 a piece, and it was 3 for $25. So it was good. And oh yeah, with the swap stuff, they gave us some free samples of hydro butter, which I'm gonna be trying out probably soon. If you guys would like see a video with any of my products, like, comment, subscribe, and also comment down below which product y'all would like to see me use first. Well, use. Okay, y'all, these are the 2 things I've been really excited about. So they had this value center where they give them for cheap. And baby, I got some of these Paul Mitchell conditioners, baby. This is tea tree. I think it's by Paul Mitchell. So I have this, like I said, I'm in cosmetology school. So this conditioner we use in our salon, baby, retail $40. Baby, I got it for $6. And that's just period. That's just period. Who want finna get this? And this worked wonders. I should have got the shampoo too, but like I said, I don't really use shampoo anymore. And like, I use shampoo my whole head, baby. I'm gonna get to, if y'all want a tutorial or a routine, baby, I got y'all. Like, real nigga stuff, baby. I got y'all. Like, I'm back and I'm better. And I got this first one I seen was this special color conditioner though first. And I was like, oh, that's good. I got color treated hair, whatever. But baby, this is what I really was looking for and was hoping and praying on. But I really wanted the co-wash, but conditioner, co-wash, same thing, basically, because I co-wash with conditioner. So, dude, same thing. People just be trying to get you to buy stuff. Like, so the next 2 things I got from the value place, I think these were $5. These are actually not mine. I bought these for my mom because she love polish and like gel polish, and it's like a navy blue, and it's like this glitter looking polish. Okay, and I bought this from this brand called Candy Girls Cosmetics. She's actually from Birmingham, and she had like a makeup class that I had went to, but I bought her items. I'm so pissed, y'all, because I bought her items, and then she was at hair shop talking about, if you get anything, it's gonna be 10% off. And I'm like, girl, I just bought these products from you and I ain't get my 10% off, but it's all fine and dandy or whatever, you know, sport. But this is her beauty blender. It was just $3, so I ain't tripping on it though. So it feel like a beauty blender. I don't know. Like I said, I just want to support. It just feel like a beauty blender, and I need another one. And I bought these. This is like if you're patting down like eyeshadow or something out here, and this is a blending brush. And so the last thing that I have is a Mika. It's a Mika bag. This was $49.50, baby. But it's like, it comes with a traveling kit. And I thought it was so adorable. They had a makeup bag, but I'm like, I don't want that makeup bag, even though I should have got it. But no, like a regular bag. But this is the makeup bag. And it has like traveling size of their products. I'm gonna go through each one of them for y'all. It's this Moisture and Shine Cream. I'm excited to try this. I heard a lot of stuff about this brand, not too much with natural hair, and I feel like a lot of these products I was looking up on YouTube and really couldn't find them because this is their signature shampoo for fine hairs, new, normal, clean, hydrated shine. But this is how it look. Let's smell it. Let me smell. It smells fresh. That one smells fresh. I'm not gonna smell the other one. But this is signature conditioner. They all kind of smell the same, like the cinnamon stuff. But this is how the conditioner look. They all have like give me a very Bradley vibe. This is the Detangler primer. What the world? This is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Oh, this is neat. If y'all just want to see me do a Amino hair haul, man, y'all, I got y'all. Like, y'all think I'm playing with y'all. Okay, this is the other side. I really don't think this is really for my hair, but I really can do anything. This is dry conditioner. Like, maybe just say I had my hair in twists or whatever, and I had my hair feel dry. Just gonna spray it on there. This is a volume and matte texture spray, which I'm not gonna probably use. I don't need this because I have plenty of texture. Probably gonna get this to my sweet mate Ashley. I am, because she's Caucasian and got, well, it's not really fine, but I'm gonna just talk to her and see what she wants. This is touch up hairspray, which I don't need. I'm probably gonna get this to her too. And this is some dry shampoo, which I'm probably gonna give to her because I don't use shampoo. So yeah. Now last thing in the kit is Brooklyn Bombshell blowout spray. I'm gonna keep this for myself because it's supposed to make hair voluminous and big, and I want to blow dry my hair. I want it to be big and voluminous. It's already big, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, your girl back and I'm better, and I got colorful hair. And I know y'all probably mad and so I ain't do a video, but I thought it wasn't gonna work out right. But I will do a video talking about it if you like. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the footage that I put in, and also the products that I got, because I know I will. Hey y'all, we back with it, period. So today, I know y'all ain't seen me in so long. I bet y'all like, this girl got piercings. Well, y'all been seeing my regular now, right? But I'm vlogging. Anyway, I know y'all seen, and y'all know y'all seen the regular one, but yeah, I got a step on and hair color. I'm vlogging for real. Oh my gosh. So
wait, I left my wallet.
Dang.
In your house.
Oh, running Nick.
Man, a lot of stuff going on. I know I look different, but I'm gonna get to that later. I'm gonna do a separate video. But today we are going to Birmingham for a hair show. I'm in cosmetology school. I was supposed to be doing a video about that, about how I got kicked out of school and all that. But I'm gonna do a video about that later. Is it?
My brother's getting her.
We're going to a hair show.
My keys were on the floor, but I thought they were right next to my bag, so I left them. But
Crap.
then I remembered I need them.
We're going to a hair show in Birmingham, and we're actually in Horn Lake right now, getting ready to go.
Nobody knows where Horn Lake is.
Yeah, they do. People do be knowing. I met a girl, well, she from Memphis, but she went to the Northwest and South Haven, and like me and her been cool for like 5 years, 6 years. 7.
Say, I
Look,
didn't
is
know
that
anybody
good?
knew where Horn Lake was.
Yeah, Mississippi. Everybody know about Mississippi. Everybody love people from Mississippi. I'll tell you my name, but everybody knows. So I make it when I fuck
You want a flat booty bitch, I'm not with all that. I got chills for days.
In 2 miles, take the exit merge onto I-22 East.
The freak, that's a block party, they done blocked off half the street. She's a big booty bitch, showing ass and cheese. She's a walking bag of money, she's a masterpiece. So when she running game on you, she's an athlete. She got it in there. Can't make who can handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member of the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me. I like my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 niggas with the superstar beat. Fuck the superstar nigga, now I got him balled in. I call it J. Someone said put your hands on your knees. Someone said put your hands on your feet. Hey, someone said put that over like a tree. Someone said put your hands on your hips. Someone said put your hands on your knees. Someone said put your hands on your feet. Someone said put that over like a freak. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, If he fucking with me, then he know
Can you stop pushing me?
Let me see that makeup.
I'm not done though, ho. On the hell on.
Oh, makeup on fleek.
Or not.
I ain't doing my makeup. Y'all see my head.
Why are you doing your makeup for real?
Okay, we're about to go
That's why it's
eat
so
one day
loud.
like we.
She vlogging.
We got a tripod to vlog.
This.
Come on, lamp. Now we finna go eat. You want my edges?
She said you all about money. I'm gonna cash it.
Look at all. Everybody got color hair.
Oh, yeah?
It's Miami and I came to run my cycle. We at the thrift store. It's called Vapor.
I don't know. What the? They're gonna die.
What is this? Look at my look.
They're dying.
It's called Vapor.
Always short. Purple tags, half off. Green tags. Ask about the shampoo.
Let me drive the boat. Let Haley drive the boat.
Haley don't need to drive the boat. Actually, Haley's the good driver.
Period, fool. Period, poop. Say hello.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, it's a video. Say hello, y'all.
I did not know.
Say hello.
Hey.
Say hey.
Mine's electronic.
Say to the vlog. Just say hey. The pretty one. The other one. I touched her booty. I touched her booty.
And I liked it.
I haven't posted nothing.
Hey y'all, so what we doing?
Hey, don't go
You
out
can't
in the
just
rain.
judge.
What
I
we
know.
doing?
I know.
Wait.
It's the Memphis in me. I just walked.
You go.
I don't think we what is it? Day one? Oh my god.
Because that's what real bloggers do.
Oh my god.